Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest web tools to make your online projects a breeze. Today, we're tackling how to add weather to Google Sites in 2025. If you're building a website for your business, school, or personal use, adding real-time weather can make it more engaging and practical. By the end of this video, you'll have dynamic weather updates live on your site in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first. Make sure you're logged into your Google account and head over to Google Sites. If you don't have a site yet, create a new one. It's super straightforward. Once you're in your site editor, click on the Insert menu at the top. Look for the Embed option. This is your gateway to adding external content like weather widgets. Now, for the fun part, sourcing a weather widget. In 2025, services like OpenWeatherMap or Weather API are still go-to choices. Go to their website, sign up for a free API key if needed, and generate an embed code for your desired location. For example, you can customize it to show temperature, forecasts, or even icons. Copy that code. It's usually a snippet of HTML or JavaScript. Back in Google Sites, paste the embed code into the Embed dialog box. Hit Insert, and voila! Your weather element should appear on the page. Don't forget to resize it or position it where it fits best, like in a sidebar or at the top of your homepage. Save your changes and preview the site to see it in action. If the weather isn't updating, double-check your API key or ensure the embed code is current. Tech updates happen fast. One quick tip. Make sure your site is set to public if you want visitors to see the weather, and test it on different devices for the best look. This feature is a great way to add value, like for travel blogs or event pages. There you have it. Adding weather to Google Sites is easier than ever in 2025. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more web tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.